shit. That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to Wolfridge Woodworking. So there's going to not be a project today. I just wanted to take a few minutes and to review kind of the year so far. I know I only came on to YouTube towards the end of the year, but I feel like I've accomplished a lot. I've learned a lot in the past, I guess it's been 4 months now. Here's just a quick collage of pictures of some of the projects that I've done over the past 4 months, and I hope you enjoy looking at them. And maybe if you're new to the channel, maybe go back and take a look at the videos for them. Looking forward to next year, I've got a lot of exciting things planned. I'm going to dive into the world of casting resin. So I'm going to do some different things, making some bowls, some pen blanks and things like that with some resin, some wood. So I'm very excited to dive into that world. I've got all the parts. I've got the resin, I've got the pressure pot, I've got the plastic sheet to make the mold. So really excited about that. That's going to be probably coming really soon. If you could see behind the camera now, you would see all of the wood that I've got lined up for making projects. I actually just came from the wood store where I had a small budget, went over the budget, and if you're woodworking, you know what I mean when it comes to going to the wood store to buy wood. So anyway, I got a lot of different woods to make some what I hope to be some pretty interesting cutting boards, again, coming soon. I've got 4 different slabs that I'm going to dive into, but before I dive into that, I'm going to dive into creating bow ties and inlaying bow ties. I've got a couple of, a Japanese saw, some good chisels coming, and a coping saw to start practicing dovetails. That's something that I need practice on. So I'll probably have maybe a video or two of where I'm doing some practicing on that. So again, those are just some of the things that are coming forward in 2019. I hope you come along with me as I learn, and hopefully you can learn from me. I thank you for all of my subscribers to date. I look forward to the next year coming, and go out, create. It doesn't matter if it's good or bad. It matters about going out, creating something, learning something, and continually improving. So my mantra for the 2018 was to not let fear control me, hence why I created a YouTube channel. I was always afraid to be in front of the camera, so I was like, this year I'm not going to let fear control me. So I've gone out, ventured out. And other thing is to go out and try to make the world around me a better place. And that's kind of what I'm going to do next year, is continue to go into things where maybe I'm a little uncomfortable, but go in, learn, go in with an open mind. I hope you'll do the same thing, and I hope you will also leave the world around you a better place, and let's just be nice to people. So anyway, as always, I wish you a blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you next year.